Hi everyone, I'll be using tomatoes, onions, grated potatoes, coriander, 2 eggs, salt and cooking oil. I like to start by whisking my egg whites separately just to make my omelette fluffy. And then I add my egg yolks. My potatoes are not pre-cooked, so the fact that I grated them helps them steam faster. I'll add my salt first. Once that is mixed, I add my grated potatoes. They just need a little heat to get cooked, and they make my omelette filling. That's how I prefer to make my omelette. You can try that in case you haven't done that before. I mix that well. Then I add my coriander, finely chopped, and my onions, also finely chopped. And I give that a whisk. After that, I'll add my tomatoes, finely chopped as well. When you chop them finely, they get distributed around your omelette so well. I'll sprinkle some chili powder. This is optional. You don't have to do it if you're not a chili person. And then I whisk that again. I did add a little bit of food color, by the way, in case you're wondering why it's yellow. But that you can ignore. You don't have to do it. I just did it for aesthetic purposes. So on a pan, I'll preheat some oil and I'll turn the pan around just to make sure all the sides are well covered. That's what I'm doing right now. In case you haven't subscribed, please do so and click the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I upload a new recipe. Also, make sure you share this video and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this particular recipe. Once my pan is ready and warm enough, I'm using minimum heat, by the way, because I like to sort of bake, quote unquote, my omelette. When I say bake, I mean I put it on the pan on minimum heat. I cover it for a while. After pouring it into the pan, I'll spread it all around first before the base sets. And then I give it a very gentle shake just to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. Because this isn't a non-stick pan, so if I leave it on, it's going to get stuck and turn into pieces, or rather scrambled eggs, which I don't want. I need it to be one full piece. So I just give it a gentle shake. And then very gently, I'm going to bring the sides to the center to sort of shrink it so it can fit in my plate better. I don't want it wide and extra flat. I want it, a bit fluffy. So if I allow it to go all the way to the edge of the pan, it's not going to give me what I want. So that's why I'm doing this with my turner. Just make sure the edges have been brought back to the center to sort of reduce the size. All this I do before it sets, because once it sets, there's nothing I can do about it. I cover it so that the top can set. In case you're not using potatoes, covering it can actually be your last step, because you'll not need to flip it after that. It's going to cook all the way through. So this is what it looks like just before I flip it. That's the top. You can see it's done, but because I have potatoes in there and I need to make sure that they're well cooked, I'm going to flip it. I'll show you how I flip it. I cover the plate with the pan and then I turn it over. I don't turn the plate over before that. so that it's just a very rapid step. And that's what we have once it's flipped, still nice and solid. Then you can put that back in the pan, cover it again, and when it's ready, I'll show you what a slice looks like up close. Here we are. You can see how much volume we have. That pretty much looks like a mini pizza. It's fluffy, it's big. All my ingredients are evenly distributed. It looks colorful, looks appetizing. Give it a shot and let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.